Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Glad to see you all. Glad that you all stopped by. Just for spending a few moments with me. Thank you very much. Also, I finally made myself some bookmarks that say my favorite line. Self-care is not selfish. She was cute by her bath, so I thought I'd make some bookmarks with that on it and show it to you guys. That's so cute. So when I do some happy mail, I'll throw these in there. So today I have a little haul for you. I haven't been doing much shopping, but I went over to the Micheals and I saw this citrus paper pad because I need the lemons. I need lemons and other accoutrements of citrus because I'm making these. Let me see if I can find what it is that I'm making to show you guys. I'm invited to a another planner meetup type thing where everybody's selling something again. And so I'm making these. Let me see. It's in these pads like that. So I'm making these. So it's a 12-month tear-off planner thing where you, for a month, you get to have your month, your year, your weeks, your priorities and everything like that for a month. Because there's some people who plan that don't want quite a planner. So this is my idea. Plus they get a sticky notes, little notepad and a pen. So that's my idea. So I needed some more citrus to make the notepad. So I've been working on that. So I have to get this paper pad at the thing. I don't know if you've all seen it. Let me see. I thought I took these things off. I'll give you a quick flip through so you can see what it looks like. Wait a minute. Let me see if I can get this off. I haven't done a lot of hauls in a while, so I'm not very good. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's been taking care of themselves. I'm trying to get back into the swing of everything and get everything taken care of. And you know, we don't really need a paper pad, but I like this one. I thought it was pretty cute and pretty kind of citrusy, Mediterranean. That's what it is. So you start out with the nice lemons. Look at those lemons. I'm going to use those lemons. I don't even know if I want to make them small. I want to do something big with them. But you get 2 lemons. Get this nice yellow. That's pretty too. More lemons like that. I think you get 2 of each. Look at that. See, it's all lemony for me. And then you get the blue, because the Mediterranean like blue goes good with the lemons. They give you a gold page. Now they could have done something a little bit better with the gold, but I'm going with it. More beautiful yellow. So if you like yellows, this is pretty cool. The cutter pots. So if I make a big journal or something, I can actually put some of this on the cover. You know, I love a good gingham. Don't you love a good gingham? I love a good gingham. Oh, they even threw some orange in here. Wonder if there's, look, oranges. Oh my. So I got lemon. Well, I did say citrus. So I got lemons and oranges. Look at that. Eat well, laugh often, love much. That's good. And I like that kind of with the Mediterranean type thing. I like that. So I like the cutter parts in here. Some more blue. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. For all of you guys that do little swaps with eats and stuff like that, that's pretty cool. Do something with that. Back to this one again. That's my dog. Oh, look at that. With the foil. That's pretty. That's a nice journal cover there. Oh, and the nice oranges. That's pretty too. Here we go. Nice stripes. You know, this, I may have to run back over there and see if they have another one, because I think I want 2 of these. Oh, I like these. I like that. Yeah, if you do the kitchen swaps and food swaps and everything like that, this is a good one. But for lemons, so it's even, oh, look at that. That's pretty too. So that's the pad. And I think it was either $4.99 or $5.99 the day I was over there. Then, because I make journal covers, I went next door to the Dollar General because I like this leaf pattern that they used to have at the dollar store, but they switched it out and they don't have it anymore. But the Dollar General has this one, and you get 2 sheets. At the, 2 sheets for $2, I think. Yeah, 2 sheets for $2. So I got that one and this one because I use these for journal covers. So I got that. It's the wallpaper peeling stick. So I got that one. Then I moseyed on, oh, and while I was at Micheals, I gotta put this in here. While I was at Micheals, they had these. So it was like $2, and it's just a little, put this in here, little notebook. Some, with some to-dos and things like that. Little pocket, if you had if you carry large enough pocketbook or something, a purse, you could put that in there, pocketbook. I know people don't say it anymore, purse, but I carry a backpack, so I could throw something like that in there so I can always have notes. And they were only $2, and they had a whole bunch of them, so I picked up 2 of those. I'm all over the place with this. I should have put everything in order so you know, but I'll tell you where I got it from. So then at Micheals, I got that. Needed some 2-sided Gorilla Glue, because sometimes when I make my journals and I use paper and I don't want to use glue and I don't want to use red line tape, I use this sometimes. This holds like no tomorrow. So I used that. And then next I went to Dollar Tree. And so at Dollar Tree, I got these pedicure sets. I'm making a gift bag for self-care. And so I'm figuring this would be a really nice item to go in a self-care kit. Look at that. Plus, I like the green of it. So I got that. And then if I throw one of my bookmarks in, that'd be cool, along with a journal that I'm making. Self-care journal. So then while I was at the dollar store, I picked up some of these pads because I love these pads. And I'm making these with the pads. So I'm making little journals with the pads, so you can write in them. So I made those with the pads, and I wanted to make a couple more, so I got that. And then they had the shopping list pad there. So the shopping list pad looks like this. And I made that for the shopping list pad. So I like redoing the pads. And if I'm gonna do my craft fair, we'll see how these do. You won't sell them for much. You just keep them at the counter so when people come by, they can pick up something else. But I think these came out really nice. I think these are coming out really nice. So if you do these, let me know. If you do these for your craft fair, let me know how they sell. I'm just thinking this could be an add-on because most of my things at my fair is like stationary stuff. So that would go with that. I needed some clothespins that I'm going to spray paint because I have this grid thing that I want to hang my keychains on. So I'm going to practice if I want to hold them up with the clothespins. I found the grid at the Goodwill, so I'm thinking I might do that. So next, I ran on over to the Hobby Lobby, not thinking they'd have nothing there, but they did. They had these 2 journals. This is the sketchbook, the big sketchbook. It was $3.87 back on the clearance thing, so I got one of those. And I got a small one for $1.99 because I use these for my art journals. So I'm getting back into, my art journaling, so these were good at the Hobby Lobby. And then they had these, so I picked up 2 of these to put stuff in. Usually when I'm making ephemera or something like that, and I want to put it together, I usually put my ephemera in here, label what it is, like flowers. then they're all ready for me to go in. When I want flowers, I can look in and pick up flowers, or if it's people, I can put people on here and then get that. So I'll have everything all organized when I'm ready to do stuff. Then I needed some more of these paper clips, so I picked those up because I want to make them, I want to add some dangles to them and see how that does at my craft fair. I may get to it or not. You know, trying to make dangles and all these things, it takes a while at the craft fair. So my craft fair is coming up in May. I'm going to start showing you the things that I made for it. And then sitting back there in the clearance were these two little guys. I had some before, and I used them at Christmas time to give to people who had babies and stuff like that. But I'm thinking little guys and little girl might make a good keychain if I'm thinking of painting this back white and using some DTF or something like that to put a flower or something here, but kind of paint that out and make that into make these into keychains. I was hoping there was more, because I go, oh, if there's a few more, so I might go check out another Hobby Lobby. But this is a Christmas shop thing, so I guess they found this in the back somewhere and put them out. But I'm thinking they'd make like great keychains. They're nice and heavy and everything. I think they're you know, they're ornaments, but they make a cute keychain. I think I'm gonna make them into something. Put a little flower there, a little blue flower, a little pink flower, little keychain holder. I got me another keychain, another kind of keychain to add to my craft fair. I'm looking around to see if there's anything else, and I think that's all. That's my haul for today. Tell me what you think. If you make the pads, tell me how, if you make the pads and you're at the craft fair, how do yours do at the craft fair if you make the pads? Do they sell? Do they not sell? Are they a good idea, not good idea? This is my first craft fair, so I'm trying to, you know, do it. And I'm a paper crafter and a stationery crafter. I don't do many other things. I just do stationaries and planners and things like that. And I'm making up my planners now, so I usually do that. So tell me what you think. I'll see you all in the next video. I'm working on my art journal. I also gonna get Tag Lab back up, because I was asked, am I still making tags? So I'll get Tag Lab back going. I just got to get back into the flow of things, and I had to do a little bit of shopping to get ready for the craft fair. The craft fair is in May, and I'm really getting excited about it because I'm doing it with my brother, and my brother does he takes pictures and things like that. So he's working on matting his pictures and getting all this stuff done. So I'm working to get my things done, hoping I'll be ready in time. I'll show you some of my cards that I made for because I'm going to have something called the emergency card kits and stuff like that I'm going to have, and I'll show you those things getting ready for the fair. So I'll talk to you all soon. Please have a good week. Take care of yourself. Remember, self-care is not selfish. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.